Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to unlock your Outlook account without your phone number. So first of all, make sure to open up any of your browser on your laptop or PC and go to the Google search bar and search here Outlook or like Microsoft Outlook, and once you search this you will be able to see the first website of Microsoft Outlook. So just open this website and it will take a few seconds to load and let it load completely, and after that just like you can create an account and like we are signing in, so just click on sign in and it will take you to another tab of Microsoft Outlook. So on here you can just enter your email address instead of your mobile number. So let's say I have this email, so just click on this email, click on next, and after that like they are asking me to go to the authenticator app of my mobile phone. So just let me go to the authenticator and complete the authentication process. And once you're logged in with your account, so just click on like you want to click on stay signed in, yes or no. So just click on let's say yes, and after that like as you can see this is my official Outlook account and I am logged in with my account. So I did not enter any of my phone number or did not verify my phone number and just entered my phone email address, logged in with my account, and as you can see this is my account and I am signed in on Outlook.